and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, I'm going to show you how to trade with the trend like a professional trader. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode. You can see if we look towards our left-hand side of the screen, the overall market is bearish. Now, we may have a continuation on the open if we drop below our pre-market support. If we don't drop below our pre-market support, let's pump the brakes and let's hold off, right? We would like to see the Qs get back above our green line and then head towards our yellow line. And we're looking for a hold above our yellow line, and we're going to sell up here near the red line. That's how we're going to identify what direction the trend is flowing in. Now we're going to cover support and resistance levels for SPY, QQQ, and NASDAQ futures. All right, family. So first up on our list, we'll cover SPY. All right, so for SPY, we have a key support level priced at 700 and hold on one second. Yeah, so we have a key support level for SPY priced at, what is going on with this software? Hold on one second, family. All right, there we go. It's updated now. All right, so we have a key support level for SPY priced at $741.41. Our pivot point is priced at $743.62. And our first level of resistance for SPY is priced at $745. We'll need to get back above VWAP. VWAP is priced at $744.05 for SPY. Next up on our list, the Qs. We have a key support level for the Qs at $686.50. I don't think we're going to touch that level, but we can keep a close eye on $689 for the Qs. We have a key bullish price point at $694.03. We'll need to recapture that level for a move towards the upside. And we have our pivot point. It's priced at $696.21. That's going to be a key resistance level for us. When the market opens up, we'll need to keep a close eye on our EMAs as well. At the moment, we're currently trading below our EMAs. We have a key resistance EMA at $694.53. On the 5-minute time frame, we're trading below all of our EMAs. In the 200 EMA, it's priced up here. Yes, the 200 EMA is priced up there. And let me go to our other screen really quick. And I'm also going to add something to the Money Spence day trading strategy. We're going to add these VWAP bands. So this green line, that's a support zone. This yellow line, that's a point of interest zone. That's usually the fair value price zone. And this red line up here, that's our resistance zone. So we're also going to use these indicators to identify the trend for the NASDAQ 100. So family, the market's about to open in approximately 2 minutes. Make sure you have your max risk in place. Know how much you're going to risk today. That could be $100, $300, $500. To be a professional trader, you have to have that initial risk management in place. Sir Chartalot, good morning, family. Let me see. So Sir Chartalot said, I'm working good, brother, but popping in. Hey, I appreciate you, good brother. I appreciate you out there getting that money. Are you going to be trading on your phone, or you're just tuning in and watching? Lena Stanford, what's up, family? Good morning, Lena. Lena in the building. Let's go, family. We're about to get this money. We're about to have a phenomenal day. We are about to have a phenomenal day. I can feel it, family. Let me go to the Qs really quick. I'm going to set up another alert for the Qs. Let me see. 694. 694.53. We need to break above that level. We're still pulling back. And family, we may have a quick liquidity sweep on the open. That's where some buy orders may come in and start pumping this thing back towards the upside. So keep a close eye on that, family. The market's about to open in approximately 25 seconds. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime. Shafi, good morning, family. My guy Shafi in the building. Let me see. Shafi said, Black man, good morning. He's traded overnight. Shafi has 2 funded accounts. Hey, Shafi, I'm loving what I'm hearing, my brother. I'm loving what I'm hearing, Shafi. Keep up the great work, bro. All right, family, let's go. Let's get it. Let's see what the market is going to give us. Let's see what the market is going to give us. Let me see. We need to get above 28,700. So I'll set up a price alert above that level just in case we break above it. And let me set up a price alert below 28,550 just in case we break below it. 28,550. Let me see. Sir Chudalot said he's looking at the RSI at the moment. Let me see what's the RSI on my end. So the RSI on my end, it's priced at 30.38. Are we going to have that quick bounce? Let's go to the 5-minute time frame, family. So we have a 5-minute bullish candle developing on our chart. We need to get above 28,700 bucks for a continuation bullish move towards the upside. We need to get above that level, family, before we take action. Buyer stepping in. Big orders popping up on the time and sales on the right-hand side. Somebody just bought 59 contracts. If we can hold above $28,700, I'll probably go in for a quick move back towards VWAP. We have VWAP priced at 28,800 bucks. So yesterday I was day trading the NASDAQ 100 and I got faked out on this 1-minute candle right here. So it looked like the buyers, they're trying to step in, but we just had a rejection right here at 9:32 a.m. We're holding support. We have support down here. Shafi said, watch out for the fake out. Oil prices are shocking the market. Yeah, Shafi, I'm gonna definitely watch out for this fake out, man. I got faked out yesterday. I'm still able to finish the day, in the green. But man, I hate when I get faked out, man. It's not a good feeling. So let's see if we can get some buys down here in the $28,550 price zone. We just had a key rejection at 9:32 a.m. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right, so we still have a bullish candle on the 15-minute chart. And let me set up an alert below 28,600 bucks. 28,600. Let me see, Sir Chudalot said, I'm looking for a close on the RSI 21 level, 2-minute chart for upside. That sounds good, Sir Chudalot. All right, so we're starting to pull back, family. Let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. All right, so we had a pullback right there. Okay. We had a pullback in that price zone. We're bearish at the moment, family. We are bearish. For some odd reason, I think we're going to bounce near 28,500. So let's set up a support zone down there, 28,500. The trend, it's still bearish. We're trading below all of our EMAs. The trend is still bearish. All right, so we have a key support level at 28,500. We're bearish on the 1 minute time frame, the 2 minute time frame. Yep, we're still bearish. And let me set up an alert right here. I'm trying to wait patiently before I take a trade because we all know that this thing can reverse on us at a fast, rate. All right, so we just broke below our pre-market support. Let's see if we're going to stay below that pre-market support. Let me see. Shafi said that looks like it was a fake out. Definitely might have been a fake out, family. But today, we're going to trade the trend like professional traders. Now, if we break below $28,500, we may go lower. The sellers, they're still in charge right now. If you look towards the right-hand side of our screen, we have bearish sell orders developing on our screen. And let's go to the 5-minute chart really quick. Let me see. Lena Stanford said she went in for a quick short across 5 accounts and made 52 bucks in each account. Great job, Lena. I love it, family. Great job. All right, family. So we have a key support level down here at $28,500. We're doing our best to wait patiently to see what this thing is going to do because it can always, reverse on us. But we had a beautiful short opportunity on the open. We had a beautiful short opportunity on the open. All right, so the Qs just broke below a key support level. The Qs just broke below a key support level. All right, let's see what we're going to do in this price zone right here. Let's see what the market is going to give us in this price zone. Let's see what the market is going to give us really quick, family. All right, so I tried to go in for a quick bounce and I got stopped out. So I got faked out just now. I tried to go in for a quick bounce. I had a feeling that was going to happen. But the good thing, I only lost about 73 bucks on that trade. Only lost about 73 bucks. So we bounced near $28,514.50. Let's go back to the big screen really quick. Let's go back to the big screen to see if we're going to possibly bounce in this area. And let me remove this zone right here because we already broke below that zone. I want to see if we're going to get any strong bullish candles on our chart. Let me see. Shafi said, let me see. Sir Chartalot said it's going to slice through that $28,500 price zone. It definitely looked like it's about to slice through it, bro. It definitely looked like it, man. We had a beautiful short opportunity on the open. Shafi said keep stops in place in case Trump news candle causes a sharp reversal. That's definitely possible as well. Lena Stanford says she's done for the day short. Again, $250 across 5 accounts. Great job, Lena. You killed it, family. Great job. And thank you. I will definitely enjoy my weekend, family. Thank you. All right, so are we going to continue to drop lower? Or are we going to bounce in this price zone? All right, so we broke below that key support level. Damn, somebody just loaded up with 194 contracts. Short.
Order filled.
Somebody just loaded up pretty heavy. All right, family. So I'm going to take a quick short right in this price zone. Stop loss is in place. I'm only going to start off with 2 contracts. May buy a little bit more.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm holding 5 contracts right now. Let's go. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Come on. All right, so I'm short right now. Family, beautiful.
Order
All right, let me
filled.
take some profits.
Order
Get
filled.
back in right here. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going lower. Stop losses in place.
Order
Let me
filled.
take some more profits. All right, so I just caught some shorts towards the
Order
downside.
filled.
Shorts are still intact. All right,
Order filled.
just sold again.
Order
I'm
filled.
taking quick profits, family. No need to overstay your welcome because we all know that this thing can reverse on us at a fast, rate. We have a 15-minute bearish candle on our chart. I'll add more if we continue to drop. All right, let's go back to the 1 minute time frame really quick. I'm down on my short position, down at the moment. I'll place my stop loss up here. Stop loss is in place. Buyer stepping in at 9:40 a.m. I'll add more to my contract if we drop below my average cost. Average cost is priced at $28,461.25. Buyer stepped in at 9:40 a.m. Use caution. All right, so I'm down on my current short position. I'm only holding 1 contract at the moment. Thinking about adding a little bit more if we drop below my average cost. And let me set up an alert below this price zone right here. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit, family.
Order
All right, let me
filled.
add one more right here, holding 2 contracts. Let's go. Still short on the NASDAQ. All right,
Order
let me take some
filled.
profits. Let's go.
Order filled.
Get back in right here. 1 contract. Beautiful. Keep going. Beautiful. I'm still short on the NASDAQ 100, family. The primary reason I went in short because we were bearish on the open and we were trading below all of our EMAs on the 5 minute time frame. And I'm probably going to lock this account once I reach 150 bucks. This account will be locked. And I'll place my beautiful.
Order filled.
All right, so family, I'm going to go ahead and lock this account. Let's go ahead and lock this account. And we'll go ahead and lock it all day because I am 1 day away from a payout in this account. Yep, 1 day away from a payout. So let me check something really quick. All right, so for the past 2 weeks, we're up $4,212.26. 9 green trading days. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green trading days. So one more day, and I'll be able to take out a payout. Let's go to our second funded account. Let's see if we can get some additional rhythm. And let's go back to the big screen chart really quick, family. Really quick so you can understand why your boy moves. went short towards the downside. All right, so if we look at our chart, right? I say family on the open, if we start trading below this green line right here, that's going to be a key support zone for us. If we start breaking, hold on 1 second, family.
Order filled.
Hold on 1 second. This 15-minute candle is about to close in approximately 30 seconds. Primary reason we went short, we started to break below key support zones. We were not holding those zones, right? We were not holding those zones, family. So I want to see if we're going to break below 28,400 bucks. If we do, I'll add more to my current position. 28,400. Let's set up an alert right below that price zone. That's a key psychological level. And I'll add my stop loss right here. Let's go back to the screen so you can see my trade in real time. All right, so I'm holding one contract at the moment, short towards the downside. We may have a bounce in this area, but I have my stop loss up here at the high of the previous candle if we do bounce in this area. We have a key resistance at $28,512.25. I am currently trading in my second funded account. The buyers that are stepping in, we may possibly have a reversal. Stop losses in place, just in case we break above the previous resistance level. Key support zone is priced at $28,408.25. I'm down $100 on this play at the moment. And I'm not going to panic because I have my stop loss in place. So if my stop loss hit, I'll get out the trade. Your boy Money Spence will get out of this trade. Because that's giving us confirmation that the trade, it's not working out and it's time to, shift directions possibly. And the primary way you can trade with the trend is using the 9, the 20, the 50, and the 200 EMA. On the open, we were breaking below all of those EMA levels, and that's why we decided to go short towards the downside. I'll add more contracts if we break below $28,400. And I'm going to target $28,350. Still waiting patiently. And I'm still holding my trade. As you all can see, even though I'm down, I'm not going to panic because I have my stop loss in place to protect me just in case things go south. That's what stop losses are for. There's no need to panic. If your boy Money Spence gets stopped out, that means the trade, it's not working out. And we can always pivot and go in the opposite direction if we do have a reversal. When you're a professional trader, you want to be patient. And you want to also manage your emotions and keep a close eye on the EMAs and the moving averages on your chart. All right, so now I'm down $150. Possible reversal developing on our chart. And if I do get in for the reversal, I'll place my stop loss down here. I'm down $189, close to 200 bucks. And it looked like we're about to break above the previous resistance level. In my trade, it may stop out, but we can always pivot and get back in. Trade didn't stop me out yet. And the good thing, I'm glad I'm only holding, one contract. Shafi said possible
Order
reversal
filled.
on SPY. All right, so I just lost $223.22 on that trade. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is going to close. If this one closed bullish and the next 5-minute candle opens bullish, I'll go in for a move towards the upside. But now it's time to wait patient. We have our blue EMA priced at $28,540. If we break above that level, that's going to be a possible reversal move for us. And you see, family, I took my stop loss. I didn't, hope and pray like, hey, I want this thing, do this. I said, no, I'm going to take my stop loss if it doesn't work out in my favor. That's what stop losses are for, family. And as you all can know, with futures, you can, easily make that 223 bucks back at a fast rate. Easy. All right. So was this a possible fake out? I'm trying to see if we're going to get above this non-EMA on the 5-minute time frame. If we do start trading above it, I'll go in for a quick long towards the upside.
Order filled.
All right, let's test out a long right here.
Order filled.
All right, 2 contracts at the moment. Possible reversal developing. All right,
Order filled.
holding 5 contracts at the moment. Let's go. Holding 5 contracts, family. Possible fake out. All right, there we go. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let me take
Order
those profits.
Order
Let me get back in right here.
Order filled.
Let's go. Holding 2 contracts. Now I'm only down $136.04. The trend may possibly be reversing, family. Get ready for a possible move back towards our EMAs. Stop losses in place. I'll place my stop loss below this 5-minute bullish candle. And I'll add 3 more contracts if we start breaking above my average cost. I'm down on the play at the moment. And I'll risk about 200 and some change on this play. All right, so the play is starting to turn green. All right.
Order filled.
Holding 5 contracts right now. Long towards the upside. Possible reversal developing. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right.
Order
Let me take
filled.
those profits.
Order
Get back
filled.
in right here. I'm only down $83.25 right now. Holding 3 contracts. All right.
Order
Take
filled.
those profits.
Order
Let me get back
filled.
in right here. Down $51.19.
Order
Holding
filled.
2 contracts at the moment. A good stop loss is down here. Or you can place your stop loss below this 5-minute candle that's developing right now. Holding 2 contracts long towards the upside. And the primary reason I started to go long because we bounced at 9:45 a.m. and then we started to trade above the non-EMA on the 5-minute time frame. So that was giving me confirmation to look for a move towards the upside. All right, beautiful. All right, let me add
Order
one more.
filled.
Holding 3 contracts long right now. Beautiful. There we go.
Order
All right,
filled.
family. So now I'm back
Order
green.
filled.
I'm up $5.65. I'll add more if we continue to go higher. At one point, I was down 200
Order
and some
filled.
change. Let's go. Come on. All right, stop loss down here at the low of this candle. Beautiful. All right, let me take
Order
some profits.
filled. Order
Let me get back in
filled.
right here. Up $54.21. We need to break above the 50 EMA on the 5-minute time frame now, family. A good stop loss is down here, the low of this 5-minute candle. All right.
Order
Let me add
filled.
one more contract right here, holding 2 contracts. Let me take
Order
some
filled.
profits.
Order
Get back in right
filled.
here,
Order filled.
holding 2 contracts, long towards the upside. I would like to sell at the 50 EMA, this orange line right here. That's going to be my sell target, family. Good stop loss is right here around $28,485.50. That's a great stop loss for us. And this is how you pivot, family. So I noticed that the trend, it was changing on the 5-minute time frame, right? We had a beautiful bearish structure towards the downside on the open. Once I identified that the structure was changing, I stopped out right here on this 5-minute candle, and I started to pivot and go for a long towards the upside. Now I'm only holding 2 contracts, family. Stop loss is in place. So now I'm down 65 bucks on this trade. All right, so now it's starting to turn green. We may have a 3-bar play, bullish play develop. All right,
Order
holding
filled.
3 contracts right now. Let's go. All right, let me take some
Order
profits.
filled.
Get
Order
back in right
filled.
here. Up $120. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Let me
Order
take some
filled.
profits. Get back in right here. All right, so I'm looking to make $20 more off of this trade. And then we might lock this account as well because we're also green in this account and we're one more day away from a payout. And I don't want to overtrade, but I'm glad everyone was able to see me down at one point and you all were able to see me pivot towards another direction instead of just focusing on a move towards the downside. All right, family. So we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. Roddy Rose, what's up, bro? Let me see. Bro said I thought you would have been done. Your sellers pulled back. Let me see. Your sellers pulled back at 226-point move. I'm done for the day. Great job, Ra. Great job, bro. Yeah, I'm almost done for the day, bro. I locked one funded account so far. I'm trying to get about $20 more out of this move towards the upside to secure a payout. And I'll probably set my stop loss right here at the 9 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. I'll set my stop loss right there. All right, family, we're starting to move higher a little tad bit. We're starting to move higher a little tad bit. I'm thinking about adding some additional contracts because it looked like we're possibly hitting up there towards VWAP. Our VWAP is priced at $28,728. All right,
Order
let me
filled.
add one more right here, family. Beautiful.
Order filled.
That was beautiful, family. That was beautiful. All right, so your boy Money Spence has also reached his target in his second funded account as well. In this account, we're up $3,167.64 with 9 trade days. I need one more day to secure a payout from this account. We can take out 50% of the balance. Let's go back to the big screen, family, so you all can see why we were trading in the direction that we were trading in, right? So if we look at the open, family, we had 5-minute bearish candles developing on our chart. So that was our cue to go short towards the downside, especially when we broke below our support level. That was our cue. So we were already trading below our EMAs on the open. So that was our cue right there, family. We had a beautiful, let me see, we had a beautiful 277-point move on the open. And now, if you look at our chart, we bounced at 9:45 a.m. and your boy Money Spent started to trade towards the upside. I stopped out on this candle right here. I noticed that my move, it wasn't working out. And I say, hey, family, I'm going to place my stop loss above the previous 5-minute candle. If we break above that candle, I'm going to stop out on my position. So at one point, I was down about $230. But guess what? I did not panic. We're professionals, family. We don't panic over here. We just traded our plan and and we try our best to trade with the trend using VWAP and the EMAs. Once I identified the reversal, I got in long right here. I said, family, let's wait patiently to see how this 5 minute candle is going to close at 9:45 a.m. That 5 minute candle, it closed bullish, and the next 5 minute candle, it opened bullish, and we started to trade above the previous 5 minute candle, and we also broke our previous support. Once we broke back above that previous support, and sometimes support, it can turn into resistance. That was my cue to size up for a move towards the upside and go long. So I went long, right? And I sold right here on this candle. So family, I hope I was able to, shed some light on your day trade, career and experience. But the money spent golden nugget today, trade with the trend. Do not try to we can try to predict, as much as we want, but try your best to trade with the trend and make sure you're using a stop loss. A stop loss, it saved my portfolio today. So make sure you're trading with the trend using the 9, the 20, the 50, and the 200 EMA, and also using VWAP, as well. But family, I really appreciate everyone for joining this live stream. We'll be back at it this upcoming week. Everyone have a safe, blessed day, and man, thank you for rocking with your boy Money Spence. I really appreciate it, family. I'm out. Peace.